Now it is 6 in the morning. Today is our Republic Day. I think most people are already asleep, but we're on the road. I think there may be 500 plus riders here. We all are heading to one place, Karjat, and the event is Spirit of Unity. Expressway on this morning is going to be ours. Explain what it is, what it feels like to be inside a convoy of 500 bikers. You look left, bikes, you look right, bikes, in your mirror, bikes. The expressway was alive, not with traffic, but with riders. Is running whole time 360-degree. I didn't want to miss anything. So this is what Republic Day means on two wheels. So finally, Karjat is coming. So this is Karjat. So if you have not been to Karjat from Mumbai, please put it on your list now. This Pune Mumbai Expressway hits different in winter. If you compare that with monsoon, it is totally different. So when 500 bikes roll in together, that sound alone is something else. Different bikes, different riders, same road, same love. So Republic Day isn't just a holiday. For us, it was a reason to ride. This isn't just a holiday. For us, it is a reason to ride. Mumbai to Karjat and back, 6 hours on the road. This is what a good day looks like. This is One Road Monk. If you ride or wish you did, subscribe. New rides every week. Jai Hind.